Well, it's 5:33 now. A controversial bill is on its way to the governor's desk. This is a measure banning sanctuary cities, which legislators approved yesterday.
And in the last month, we watched emotional protests and debate over this bill. Channel 2's Kathy Hernandez has been following the response since its approval. She's live now near downtown. Kathy?
Well, good morning. There is a lot of mixed reaction. Either way, it appears that the governor will sign this bill into law, and it could happen pretty quickly. Texas lawmakers passed the bill yesterday despite disapproval from Democrats who say the bill could be used to discriminate. The bill would give police the power to enforce federal immigration laws against anyone they detain, even during a traffic stop. The bill also threatens to jail police chiefs and sheriffs who refuse to work with federal authorities. It also allows the state to withhold federal funding from local governments for acting as sanctuary cities. Shortly after Texas state lawmakers gave their final approval, Governor Greg Abbott tweeted, quote, "The Texas sanctuary city ban wins final legislative approval. I'm getting my signing pen warmed up." State Senator Sylvia Garcia calls the bill unconstitutional and says there will likely be a court battle. She says, quote, "I urge Texans to raise their voice against discrimination trying to hide as policy. Just the suggestion of this bill has driven communities underground where crime victims are scared to talk with police, and fear is widespread." Houston Police Chief Art Acevedo tweeted last night in Spanish saying HPD officers will work to protect everyone in our community. The bill would go into effect on September 1st. Reporting live near downtown Houston, Kathy Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Kathy, thank you so much. 5:30.